Touch anywhere in the work screen to access the toolbar. Expand the toolbar on the left side. Select the sloping surface wizard icon. We can create the sloped surface from the left, center, or right bucket tip. If desired, the name and side length of the surface can be changed here. Next, I will select the Edit button in the Elevation Offset field. Here, I will enter a -1 meter offset. Then, select Apply. Next, I will select the Edit icon in the Slope field. Note, a negative slope creates a surface that goes down, towards the machine. A positive slope creates a surface that goes up, towards the machine. I will enter a -5% and hit Apply. For the slope direction, I have chosen along boom axis. This means that the boom needs to be oriented in the direction I want the surface to slope. Once satisfied with the sloping surface parameters, hit Save. And that's it. We now have a sloping surface being used for guidance that is offset 1 meter below the bucket and sloping at 5% down towards the machine.